Gold daily time frame 1 year later, if we compare everything, same month May FOMC meeting, but 3 year when Fed said no stagflation, last week when Fed predict stagflation, and next year 2026 when Powell will leave and new chair will come. But last 1 year gold went up from 2300 to 3300, and that is $1,000 price adjustment for inflation crisis, for consumer, for investor. So what gold will do next 1 year, that's mean May 2026 FOMC meeting, Kevin Wars, he will be our next Fed chair, that will drive market price. Because all the time when they were ignoring stagflation, gold was going up $1,000 between May 2024 and 5 FOMC meeting. Same thing Fed said in a speech. If you compare last 1 year and if you forecast next 1 year, then everything changed. So all the banks, one by one, JP Morgan, they are seeing 6,000 gold price. Goldman repeating their 4,500 gold price. If recession occur, then ETF money flow in USA, that can drive gold price 4,500 this year. That's mean from all-time high price in December this year, gold will go up more $1,000. Or indirectly they are saying that stagflation crisis that will continue. And Bank of America, they are saying gold can easily sustain our 3,000 gold price. Not just 45, but now banks are going mad. They are predicting up to 6,000 gold price. So if somebody say this high, big static resistance, it will break out, price will make new higher high after triangle chart pattern correction. Technically possible, I will accept. Gold going up more $1,000 next 1 year, then that is not possible and this will not happen. So you have clear static resistance, support is still same near 3,200. By the time the test happen, price will be testing big trend line plus fib retracement zone, all of those things near same place. So price trading between support and resistance, or simple way you can say new sideways range already started like expected in second quarter. So this sideways range will continue, but long term pricing $1,000 more upside from here, timing next 1 year, that will not happen. And you can see last week monthly time frame, either third wave or C wave, closing price, they are showing big rejection near 61% projection 3279, but monthly is still overbought. And since starting of the year, every month gold going up, that's been first half of this year, maybe it need a pause, some correction, so be careful. But like Fed was saying in his speech, compare last 1 year 2024 to 5, that is a big change in Fed tone. Compared to last year, clearly Fed is hawkish. Before election, see no stagflation. After election, see stagflation. For Biden, cut interest rate. For Trump, only post interest rate. Even Trump is saying last week, buy stock now. When Fed cut interest rate, that will be jet fuel, and do it before Fed start rate cut. So short term, FOMC create different meaning, but last 1 year, if you compare side by side, then clearly Fed is hawkish and big shocking change. But trade carefully on these resistance from monthly and weekly time frame. COT, they are still dumping gold. Last year it was ETF volume, but this time it is COT volume. So bulls only wait and watch because Fed said so many times in his speech they will wait and see before rate cut. Because of that, this sideways range will continue. Clear support 3200, resistance 3430, either trend line retest or range breakout, or clear chart pattern complete like triangle. Before that, only wait. For scalper, H4 give you clear static support and resistance, crystal clear, easy to trade. Like I explained in premium video, as long as price trading below 3360, technically it is bearish on H4. On daily, below 3430. Below this area, trade with bearish bias, and next big support 3270 area. Once this support level break down, price will retest 3200 level. After FOMC, when I updated this chart, soon after that update, gold crashed $100 because this is new speed of gold. In one day, gold goes up or down $100 very easily. Because market was expecting QE, but they did QT, and now there is debt problem. So market is reading like QE is still happening, but no QE. When market get clarity, gold instantly crash. And this last week, you can see on intraday H1 time frame, price goes up more, but after FOMC decision from this last week top, gold crashed and retraced 61%. So last week was mostly pump and dump because no QE, only QT. So as long as price trading below these level, technically it is bearish and risk of new lower low. This week again you have CPI, PPI, and later Powell one more new speech. So first we will get inflation number, later instant review from Fed. When Fed predicts stagflation, I don't think inflation number have any meaning, goes up and down. So when Fed is ready to stagflation, why we need to see more $1,000 upside in gold? So first wave came by FOMC. Second, your Trump tariff deal. More will come this week. If tariff reverse, then price will stay below 3360. A beginner still did not understand this stagflation, May 2026 timing, and why banks are still predicting $1,000 upside from here. Then this nice great book, everything repeating same to same, stagflation crisis, and paper tiger, a Fed chair. The market expectation before Burn become Fed chair, and after his multiple monetary policy, there was total U-turn in market expectation. Same thing happening now. Powell is only for name. Kevin was running the show, and Trump. If you go back in history, same thing happening right now. Nobody care what one's doing, what is monetary policy. It was Milton Friedman who was running the show all the time. His statement matter more than Fed rate decision. For next 1 year, 2026, when Powell will leave, Kevin Warsh will be new Fed chair. So monetary policy, bad for gold. Fiscal policy, totally depend on Trump. Nice trade deal. More news this week. That means total reversal of tariff. Because of that, gold is up since beginning of the year. When tariff reverse, there can be more downside pressure in gold. From resistance 3360 to support 3200.